In this video I'll be showing you a couple of integrated ovens from Blomberg. First one is this, the ROTN9202, and also the sister model, the RODN9202. The main difference is this is a built-under oven and the other model I'll show you is a built-in oven. Before I start, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe. With this kind of oven, being the built-under type, obviously this kind of height isn't normally where it would sit, it's just in our showroom where it's located at the moment, but it would normally sit under a hob within your kitchen. And this is the sister model, the RODN9202. As you can hopefully see, the height is the main difference. So on this model, the height you're looking at 88 centimetres, or around 34.5 inches. And then on the built-under oven, the height is quite a lot less. So you're looking at 71 centimetres or around 28 inches. So if you are thinking of buying, I suppose, any integrated oven, just check the height of it, just to make sure that the size that you're getting is the correct one. So the controls and the way they operate is actually the same on both models. As you can see, you've got pop-in, pop-out controls, as they're called. Unfortunately, I haven't got this connected up, but it's a shame because these actually have a really nice clear LED display. To alter the temperature on either oven, all you need to do is press that and rotate it, and it's very clearly labelled around the side for both ovens. And all you need to do is just have a look. You've got the little spot at the top there for the top oven, and then the little spot there for the bottom oven. Now for the main oven, all you need to do is just select one of these as well. And first of all, that's just the oven lamp is on. So I know some people think, well, why would you want the oven on with no heat? But that can be really useful. So if you were cleaning the oven and you needed some illumination within the oven, then that could be a good option to have. The main one, I suppose at the bottom here, that's the fan heating. So the warm air heated by the rear heater is evenly distributed throughout the oven rapidly by means of the fan. This is suitable for cooking your meals and at different rack levels, and preheating isn't required for most cases. Next one, this is called operating with fan. And so the oven isn't actually heated with this option. It's only the fan in the rear wall is in operation, and this is suitable for thawing frozen food slowly at room temperature and cooling down the cooked food. So if you had something that you needed to defrost, then this could be a really good option too. As you come over to this side, then you've got different options here. So the first one is the top and bottom heating. So food is heated simultaneously from the top and the bottom, and this is suitable for things like cakes, pastries, or cakes and casseroles in baking moulds, and all you do is you cook with one tray only. Next option, so as we move down towards the bottom, this is the bottom heating. So only the bottom heating is on operation, and this is suitable for things like pizzas or for subsequent browning of food from the bottom. Next option is the small grill. And with this one, so this is ideal for smaller items. So if you've got smaller portions, what you need to do is correctly position them under the grill. And then if you wanted the full width grill, so this is what they call the large grill. So if you've got a lot of food to cook, then select that option. Really, I suppose it depends on how much food you've got to cook, depending on whether you're going to select the small grill or the large grill area. On the display here, you have got things like an oven clock as well, and also you've got a timer, which can be very useful. The top oven on both models are actually the same, so you've got the same 38 litre capacity across both models. As you can see, you do get two racks within here. You can alter the racks between the ovens if you want to. It's nice having the flexibility. Also, the glass can come out the door, so if you wanted to take this out, then that's an easy process. Just by taking the top clip off, then the glass will come out to make it easy for cleaning. As you come to the built-under model, the capacity on the bottom oven is 48 litres. And as you can see, on the inside here, you have got a single shelf towards the top, and you've also got the oven pan as well. Now on these models, and a lot of ovens now, you don't get a grill pan handle. That's something that we get asked for quite a lot still. But with this size of pan, then you don't get any handles. If you did need something, then I'd recommend looking elsewhere to get a handle to perhaps make it a little bit easier to take the pan in and out. And same with the top oven, if you needed to take the glass out for cleaning purposes, then all you need to do is just pull this plastic part, then the glass will come out. Just showing the inside of the oven, hopefully you can see that on both sides you have got the stay clean liners, which can make life a lot easier for cleaning purposes. But as you go to the top oven, let's just open this. It is slightly different, so you don't get the liners in the top. As you come on to the other model, the RODN9202, as you can see, if I open the door, the capacity on this one is much larger. So this one you're looking at 75 litres. And although I've not taken out everything from the packaging, I could just show you that you've actually got 5 shelf positions on here, compared to the 3 shelf positions on the built-under model, but you have still got the Stay Clean liners on the sides. Between these two models, we actually sell quite a lot as a company. I think part of the reason is the pricing compared to other models within the range of ovens that we sell are very competitive. Also, the guarantee. So you can see here on the front that says a 3-year guarantee, but at this time of recording these actually come with a 5-year guarantee, parts and labour, and I won't say it'll always be on, but just check to see which promotion is on at the time. If you're thinking of purchasing either of these models, I've provided a couple of links below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. Obviously, if you live within the Leicestershire or Warwickshire area, I'd prefer it if you came to us to purchase one of these. If you don't, if you live somewhere else within the UK, then go on to euronics.co.uk, put your postcode in, then you'll be able to find a local retailer that can supply one of these for you. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Blomberg ROTN9202 and the sister model, the RODN9202 integrated ovens. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe, leave any comments below. Do always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad about the video. If there's something that I've not covered, I know I've not got them plugged in at the moment, but if there's any particular feature that I've not covered, then just pop it in the comments and I'll get back to you. Also, if you have got one of these, if you've got a Blomberg integrated oven like this, it doesn't necessarily have to be one of these models, then let me know what you think about it, because I always appreciate the honest feedback. Thanks for joining me today.